Marcus Aurelius once said, "The only wealth you'll keep forever is the wealth you've given away." In modern terms, that means saving before spending. Automate your savings the moment your paycheck arrives. Skip a $5 latte each day. That's $1,800 a year for your future self. Discipline isn't restriction. It's freedom earned through self-control. Marcus Aurelius journaled daily to stay aligned with his values. You can do the same. Track your spending weekly. Ask yourself, did my choices reflect my priorities? Gratitude lists turn scarcity into abundance and reduce impulsive buying by 25%. Reflection transforms money management into mindfulness. Stoicism teaches awareness over impulse. Log your expenses and question every purchase. Do I really need this? One person simply switched supermarkets and cut their grocery bill in half. Mindful spending isn't about deprivation. It's about discovering how little you actually need to live well. The Stoics believed control begins with order. Pay yourself first before chasing wants. Cover essentials, save next, and then spend consciously. Build small safety nets, emergency funds, maintenance savings. Freedom isn't owning everything, it's needing less. True wealth is measured in calm, not coins. Studies show Stoic mindfulness cuts financial impulsivity by 25%. Darius Faroo calls it the Stoic path to wealth. The secret? Patience and consistency. Invest slowly, spend wisely, think long-term. While markets shift, your discipline doesn't. Calm decision-making, not luck, is what builds enduring prosperity. Before every purchase, pause and ask, do I truly need this? Awareness dissolves waste. Mindful spending doesn't shrink life, it expands peace. Freedom is found in control, not in craving. Minimalism isn't emptiness, it's elegance. Pay yourself first, the Stoics would say. Essentials first, savings second, wants last. Simplicity builds stability, excess builds anxiety. Life is unpredictable. A Stoic prepares calmly. Build a small emergency fund. It's not fear, it's foresight. You can't control the storm, but you can strengthen your ship. Seneca warned, the man who craves more is poor. Choosing frugality isn't scarcity, it's sovereignty. The less you need, the freer you become. Spend less, live more. Awareness is the first step to mastery. Use apps to track where your money flows. Like a Stoic examining thoughts, examine your expenses. What gets measured gets managed and improved. Saving isn't about greed, it's self-respect. It's saying no to fleeting pleasure and yes to long-term peace. Stoicism teaches that patience compounds into prosperity. The Stoics found wealth in simplicity. Ask, what if happiness isn't in owning more, but in wanting less? Every time you resist impulse, you strengthen your soul. Epictetus said, it's not things that upset us, but our judgments. You can't control markets or prices, but you can control how you spend. Focus on what's within reach. Peace follows. Money is a mirror. It reflects your discipline. Each dollar tells a story, impulse or intention. The Stoic path isn't about wealth, it's about wisdom in how you use it. Aurelius wrote nightly, you can reflect weekly. Review your finances like a philosopher reviews life. Did your choices match your values? Reflection turns numbers into meaning. Patience compounds wealth faster than luck. Markets rise and fall, but a calm mind endures. Investing isn't gambling, it's philosophy practiced through time. Economic chaos? The Stoic stays centered. Focus on what's controllable, your habits, your reactions, your spending. Serenity is the ultimate currency. Buy what aligns with your values, not your vanity. Each purchase is a vote for the world you want. Stoicism teaches integrity, not indulgence, in every transaction. The fear of not enough drives endless spending, but scarcity is often a mindset, not reality. Reframe it. You have enough to start, to save, to breathe. Abundance begins in thought. Wealth without wisdom is chaos. Stoicism blends patience, moderation, and reflection into a calm, financial life. The goal isn't riches, it's peace. Flourishing, not fortune, is the true reward.